Let me know if this sounds like you. You transition to a plant-based diet expecting to lose quite a bit of weight, right? Maybe it's for health reasons or just want to look better. Well, 6 months later, you may have lost 3 to 5 pounds, if that, if not gained weight, right? The reason is because of false expectations and thinking that there's these magical diets. All diets, high carb, low carb, keto, whatever it may be, operate based off of the same principles. And that's being in a caloric deficit, having a sufficient amount of protein to maintain your muscle mass as you lose weight, while also eating high volume, low calorie foods for snacks if you do snack, right? Now, what I want you to ask yourself is, did those habits change? Are you still snacking on those foods that aren't beneficial for your goals? Are you still eating a whole bunch of nuts and seeds and trail mix and chips and fries or whatever it may be? Are you still sneaking those in? Are you still having these late night cravings throughout the night where you just eat whatever, or you have a great day of eating and then at nighttime you just start making bad decisions? It's usually those things that cause the biggest issues, and then we think a specific diet doesn't work, right? Are you tracking? Like, are you tracking what you're taking in? Do you have a food diary? Pay attention to those individual things that usually give you the biggest bang for your buck when it comes to making a change within your fat loss physique. If you need help, drop a comment down below, say ready, and I'll be there to DM you soon.